This presentation is an introduction to the exterior walk-around inspection and will familiarize you with some of the exterior features of the Boeing 767. The purpose of this inspection is to provide a general check of the airplane for damage and acceptable condition for flight. For example, doors and access panels not in use must be secure and in their proper position. All landing gear ground locking pins are removed. Ports and vents are checked clear. There should be no visible fluid leaks. And flight controls are unobstructed. If operating in cold weather, ensure that surfaces are clear of ice, snow, or frost. With these general purposes in mind, let's now take a closer look at some of the airplane's exterior features. Unless otherwise indicated, all components shown during this presentation will be in their normal condition. Approaching the airplane, observe its overall condition. Check that chocks are in place. And note the position of control surfaces. The inspection starts at the nose gear area, proceeds to the left forward fuselage, and continues around the airplane in a clockwise direction. Beginning at the nose wheel, first check the condition of the tires. Check for wear and damage on the tread, and sidewalls. The inner strut should have a shiny, clean surface. While strut extension will vary with airplane gross weight, all struts should be extended a minimum of 2 inches, or 5 centimeters, as approximated here. Scan the strut assembly and nose wheel well area. A nose wheel steering actuator is shown here. If a tow bar is not connected, the steering lever should be in its normal position. Notice the taxi light. And nose gear landing lights. Next, located on the forward fuselage are 2 pitot-static probes and an angle of attack vane. This total air temperature probe is located forward of the windshield on the upper nose. Moving around the nose, appropriate probes will be located on the right forward fuselage. Moving aft, an alternate static port is in this location. Next, the wing illumination light is here. And in the wing root area, the landing and runway turn-off lights. Moving to the lower fuselage, here are the pack inlet doors, lower anti-collision light, and the pack exit doors. Proceeding now to the wing leading edge. Pay particular attention to ensuring that there is no damage or fluid leaks in this area. Observe the engine for leaks or damage. Scan the cowling. Engine inlet, and lower cowling. After the engine, continue outboard along the leading edge. At the wingtip, there is a green navigation light, a white strobe in the center, and a white navigation light aft. Along the trailing edge of the wing, note the outboard aileron. Outboard trailing edge flap. Flap track fairings. The engine tail cone, inboard aileron, which normally droops without hydraulic pressure, and inboard flap. At the right main landing gear, the gear door is normally in the closed position. If the door should be found open, be sure to use caution, since an open main gear door may close if hydraulic power is applied. Now, scan the entire wheel well and gear area. Check the tires. Observe the overall strut assembly and strut extension. Leaving the right main landing gear, the inspection continues aft past the cargo door. Scan the tail area. From here, look forward at the upper surface of both wings. Continue with a similar inspection of the left tail area, then move forward to the pressurization outflow valve. And the exhaust louvers for the hydraulic air demand pump. At the left main gear, again scan the wheel well and gear area, tires, and strut. Inspection of the left wing and engine is identical to the right, except for the fueling station, located here on the leading edge. Just forward of the landing, runway turnoff, and wing illumination lights are two positive pressure relief doors shown here. A static port is installed here and here. This completes the introduction to the 767 exterior inspection.